So let's talk about the next one, that is the batch operating system. Now, I'm going to give you very weird examples. And to be honest, I'll tell you why. There are different kind of OSs. You will understand it now. But after 1 month, you will be like, okay, I know batch operating system. There's a word batch, so I can understand. But the whole process of how everything happens in terms of order of execution in that, I don't understand. Right. So, which is why, with the help of these examples, we'll help you understand, and probably it helps you remember a little more itself. Right. So, batch operating system. First example: consider you are going to the McDonald's outlet. Right. So, when you order, do you directly speak to the person who is cooking your burger? No, you're speaking to the cashing manager who takes your order, takes your money, and then sends the order to the cooking team. So, again, let's have a look upon the example, then I'll help you parallelize it. In cooking team, the cooking team, which then prepares your order and thus uses its intelligence to sort different types of orders. So, some orders, for example, only have fries, are directly provided to the fries person. Some orders which are only vegetarian are only provided to the vegetarian counter, right? So when I'm ordering on McDonald's, somebody who's cooking, I don't go to him that, give me my order, take money, do this. He's like, my job is cooking. You ask this guy, he will take your order, and then order would be there, and then let's say on the vegetarian counter there will be a screen which will show the person, and then there's a person for vegetarian counter. There's this non-vegetarian counter. If the whole order is non-vegetarian, there's this person for the non-vegetarian counter. If there's a mix of both of them, there's another screen, and then there's one person who's like takes item from veg counter, takes item from non-veg counter, and gives you the order. And then if there are only fries, so it'll go to the fries person that's always standing there, right? But they are using their intelligence. Similarly, there are two important keywords here: intermediate person, that is, you requested something from the cooking manager or the cooking person, but you're not directly speaking with him. You're speaking with the intermediate person. Second thing is intelligence. Similarly, in the batch operating system, the communication does not happen with the computing power or the computer directly. The OS uses its intelligence to sort different types of jobs coming and group them together based upon similar jobs which may have similar characteristics, like requirement of a similar input or a similar resource. That's very basic. You're not directly speaking to the computing power that, okay, give me this. Process comes, doesn't go directly to the computing power. There's a person in between. There's an intelligent algorithm that does the sorting, that, okay, you are coming here to request some file, let me send you to this place. You are coming here to do core processing, let's say mathematical calculations, you go here. You want to do a lot of input output methods, go here, right? So that is batch operating system, right? Now, the highlights for the batch operating system are: use intelligence to group the processes which are similar in terms of size or the IO required or the file needed to access. No direct communication happens between the computer and the user and OS as the intermediate. Now, I'll explain you why this is called as batch. Similar in the terms of size. So there's a batch that is created, there's another batch that is created, there's another batch that is created. Let's say similar size is this batch. All the processes which are between 1 MB to 5 MB may go here, because some of the intelligence or optimization the OS has done for such kind of processes. All the processes that may require, let's say, UI, go here in this batch together. All the processes that may need this similar kind of files or work with a lot of files, go here. So you're creating different batches. So the job of the OS is to group those different processes together and then send all of them as a batch to the particular specialist, right? And then there's no direct communication. Obviously, there's single computing power, So there's no direct communication here. There's a communication with an intelligence person which creates different batches and then thus sends to the CPU or different parts of the CPU, right? So that's particularly the batch operating system. In the next video, we'll look at the distributed operating system. Thank you.